Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be discussing how to share daily weather forecast to Google Chat automatically. Guys, keeping track of the weather conditions is really important when you're planning to go out of home or you're working from office. And by automating the process of sharing the daily weather forecast to Google Chat, you can save your time and you do not have to manually see what is the weather condition today, and it will also save you from bad weather. So in this video, I'm going to show you the steps of setting up this automation using a no-code tool known as Pabbly Connect. So without any further ado, let's begin. So this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste this link of this landing page in the description, and from here you can sign up for free, and after that you have to sign in and select Pabbly Connect product and you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here guys, you have to click on this create workflow button, and here you can provide a suitable name to your workflow. After that, click on create button. So I have given this name. Now I'm clicking on create and you can see the workflow page started loading up here. And here you will find the basic building blocks of our automation, which are the trigger and the action. So trigger is going to start any workflow and the action would be a automated consequence or the response of the trigger. In our use case guys, we want that this workflow should run every day and at a particular time send us a message on Google Chat about the about today's weather forecast. Okay, so here guys, I'm going to choose scheduler feature of Pabbly. So by schedule by Pabbly feature, you can schedule the running of your workflow at any point of time in future. So here you can see we have this at regular intervals option and we have everyday option as well. So I'm selecting everyday, and here you can select any time. So let's say I want to send this weather forecast message at 8 a.m. in the morning. So I'm selecting 8 a.m. Okay. So this time is according to my account's time zones. You can enter yours, it will be fine. Click on save and you can see my time zone is Indian. So local time is 8 and the UTC, that is the universally coordinated time, is 2:30, lagging 5 hours and 30 minutes. That's not more important things. And here guys, we have this action step. So what I want to fetch the daily forecast of weather, and for that to happen we are using weather API tool. So weather API is an API based weather forecast application, and here is my account, you can see. So to connect this application here, I'm going to use API by Pabbly feature. Here you can see API. Just select API by Pabbly, and here I am going to use the action event as get because we want to get the information, and here it will ask for the endpoint URL. So to find this URL, what you have to do, you have to open this weather API tool, okay, and then you have to click on this API Explorer tab. Under Interactive API Explorer, you will find these fields. It will ask for your account's API key, okay, and then it will ask for the parameters value. Here you have to put the name of your city in which you are residing, okay. Then from this options you will find this forecast tab. Here click on forecast, okay. Under forecast it will ask for the number of days, so you can find the weather forecast of from 1 to 10 days. So you can select 1 or 2 here, or as many you want. Then if you want air quality index, you can put yes or no, okay, and then click on show response and it will show you the response. So let us just do this. Okay, so here is my weather API account, okay. When you set up your account, you will find this API key here. You just have to copy this key and you have to paste this key here in this API Explorer API key field, okay. Now in the value, I am going to put the value, I am going to put the name of my city, which is Bhopal, okay, present in India. You can enter your city's name. Here it is asking for the days value, so I want let's say only 2 days forecast, okay. and I want air quality index as well, so I'm selecting yes. And here I'm clicking on show response. So when you click on show response, this will appear, this call API URL will appear. So this is the API call URL that we wanted. So you just have to copy this and you have to paste it here in this endpoint URL field. And now click on save and send test request button, and you will see the weather forecast in the response. So here in the response, you can see the details. It is showing the location name, the state name, the country name, the latitude, longitude information. All right, and here you can see the date and the time of the local, okay. And here you can see the updated time of the forecast. And now you can see the temperature in Celsius 37, in Fahrenheit 98.6. This is the current day. Okay, so the current day forecast will show you the value 1. And here you can see the condition of the weather is sunny. And the wind speed in miles per hour is 8.1 wind degree. And here you can see the pressure, the humidity in percentage, and how the temperature feels like. You can find it here. And now you can see the air quality as well. This is the air quality score. This is the SO2 percentage, particulate matter percentage, and the index. Everything is here. Okay. Now guys, I want to share it with my team or with my people on Google Chat. For that to happen, just click here on this plus icon, and from this action step, search for Google Chat like this. Then select the action event as create message. Okay. Then click on connect button, and here it will ask for the chat webhook URL. So let me show you how to find this. So guys, this is Google Chat, okay, and here is a space in which my team is present. So I have named this space as testing space, okay. And here when you click on this arrow right here, these options will appear. From here, click on apps and integrations. Under apps and integrations, you will find this manage webhooks button. Click on it, and here guys, you can add a webhook connection by clicking on add, or you can use existing. Let me show you how you can add a connection. So click on add one another, and here you can give a name to this webhook URL that you are generating. So I'm given the name as test new, and click on save. And here you can see a new chat webhook URL has been generated. So you just have to copy this chat webhook URL, and you have to paste it here in this chat webhook URL field in your workflow. Here it is asking to provide a message that you want to send to your team or to your people. So let me type a message here. So I have written a small message here. You can see, hello team, today's weather forecast details are as follows. And here guys, I want to share temperature, sky, wind speed, humidity, and particulate matter details. Okay. And I'm going to map all the things from the previous trigger. Okay, so we have received the response here from weather API, and I'm going to map the labels here. So when you click here, the previous step will appear here like this, and when you click on this second option, it will show you the details that you have fetched from weather API. From here you can map the labels like this. So I'm mapping the temperature label here, the Celsius scale. And here you can see we have this condition, sunny is the sky, wind speed in miles per hour, you will find it here. Okay, just map it. Humidity also. So humidity is in percentage, so I'm adding the percentage sign here after the digit. Particulate matter score, you will find it here. So this is the particulate matter. Okay, now guys, after adding the labels here, mapping the labels here, you can check your connection with your Google Chat space by clicking on save and send test request, and this message will be delivered here as the test message in this space. Okay, so let's check the connection. I am clicking on save and send test request. All right, and this is the response we got here. Let's check in our space if we got a new message, and here we have received a new message. You can see, hello team, today's weather forecast details are as follows, and the same things are here. Temperature is 37, sky is sunny, wind speed, humidity, particulate matter score, and these are the same things I have mapped here. So guys, you have to set up this automation only once, and once you map the labels here in real time, when this workflow is going to execute daily, these labels will be updated according to the fresh data that you're receiving from weather API, and new messages will be received here like this with the fresh data. Okay, and I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description as well, so that you can clone the same workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, if you want to connect with our support team, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask and discuss your queries on our forum via this link, and you can check the pricing plans of Pabbly Connect via pabbly.com/connect #pricing. And guys, if you like our videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.